Protein is the most important component of our diet. It does all the repair and building of all tissues in the body. It gives you energy. Your growth hormones are made up of protein. Hemoglobin is a protein. Proteins forms antibodies as a defense against bad bacteria and viruses. Every tissue in the body, including the tissues that make up the internal organ, is protein. Here are some sources of protein which I consume. Number one is pulses and legumes. Soak them overnight and then you can have it after boiling or cooking it. Number two is cottage cheese, which is also called as paneer. Number three are dry fruits, mainly almonds, walnuts, cashews and pistachios. Yes, I agree they have fats as well, but they are good fats, so not to worry about it. Number four is curd and buttermilk. And of course, there is non-veg, which I personally don't eat. I have stopped consuming any kind of protein powders due to a lot of adulteration as found recently. I will share a homemade protein powder in some other video. There is a lot of debate around soya as a source of protein but not being healthy because it has a lot of anti-nutrients like phytic acid, goitrogens, oxalates, protease and trypsin inhibitors and saponins, which doesn't allow the body to absorb important minerals like calcium, iron, magnesium, zinc, niacin, and it's not good for your gut as well. We help people with permanent weight loss, muscle gain, reversing and managing diabetes, hypothyroid, PCOD and other health issues. To get healthy and for a customized plan of action, you can click on the link in the bio and book your call with me. You know whom to share this video with. Do like, follow, share and save this video.